Jai Hind Traders. So, welcome to Market Learners YouTube channel. So, in this video, I am going to share with you a powerful option selling setup. So, here the result you are seeing is backtested result of this strategy. So, I have backtested this strategy on AlgoTest.in. So, what is AlgoTest? So, AlgoTest is a website where you can backtest your strategy. Then you can also deploy that strategy on Algo. So currently I have backtested this strategy with one lot. One lot Banknifty will require around 5,000 capital. So plus minus it can be. So in 2022 it made 63,000 rupees. So 63,000 means it is around 1,000% plus returns. In 2023 this year it is currently doing well, so it has made around 56,000 returns, so it is also good. So but one thing you need to understand, if you are a trader or algo trader, that there is nothing fixed returns in this market. These are just backtested return. It is possible that in future in live trading you don't get the same result, because market regime can change. uh, it has happened that some strategy that performed well in 2022 haven't performed well in 2023. So what is the benefit of backtest if the result can vary? So with backtest we can get an idea how the strategy performed in past. So on this basis we can also deploy our strategy, and here in backtest it shows max drawdown. So here you can see the max drawdown we faced is 3,448. So on the basis of that we deploy the strategy, and if our loss crosses this, so we can stop this strategy. Like it is not like we keep on doing this strategy till we end up our capital. We can stop this strategy if it is not performing. How do we know if it is not performing? We can look back at max drawdown. We can calculate according to that if 2x of max drawdown crossed, I will stop this strategy, or max drawdown crossed, if I face losses and it reaches max drawdown, that is here 3,400, I will stop the strategy. So if you do in this way, like you define first that how much loss I am going to bear. So if you clearly define that at this point of time, like if my loss reached this point 3,448, when I do live trading, I will stop trading this strategy. So it will be very easy to do trading and handle it psychologically. So here I am adding some slippage also, because in live backtest doesn't consider slippage. In live when you trade you will also get slippage also. So if I consider 0.5% slippage here, still you can see the results, still it is giving us profit. So this strategy I am giving you to don't do ditto copy. So you just have to take an idea from this, and you can modify strategy accordingly and backtest on this site, and you can also create your own strategy. So results we have seen. Now we will look at strategy. So here you can see overall profit, that is of a total profit, and it will show number of trades, how many trades, average profit per trade. This is on one lot. So there are some statistics and you can look at this. Now coming on strategy part, but before we come on strategy part, let me tell you one thing, that if you open your account on AlgoTest.in directly, so you don't get any benefit. If you purchase their plan you will be charged same price, but if you open through me you will get 35% discount. So how to get this for lifetime? Whenever you purchase you get 35% discount. You just have to message me on WhatsApp 62848730048. So this is my WhatsApp number 62848730048. On this number you can message. So when you message I will give you a referral link, you open, and also I will tell you the process how to open account and how will you get 35% extra. This strategy I suggest you to go for zero brokerage plan. Why I am suggesting you? because like if you do buying in 1 to 2 lot, so you can take a little bit risk and take a bet on zero brokerage plans. But if you do trading in bigger lots, so at that time you can't take risk on zero brokerage, because in buying what happens is you lose small in 10 days, then one day you made big. So the zero brokerage brokers give error sometime. The error chances are high in zero brokerage brokers than the paid ones. So if you do with bigger quantity, I suggest you to go with a better broker whose API is stable and fast. So but here the issue is the paid brokers have very high brokerage. So what I suggest you is we are providing 25% discount on brokerage plans. So if you message us on WhatsApp 6284873048, we can provide 7.5 rupees per order in 5 paisa, and 1 per lot in IFL and 15 per order in IFL. So we are total giving 25% discount on their brokerage plans. So now talking about our strategy. So here you can see our strategy. So first I will show you this strategy here. I will explain how it works. Then we will code that in AlgoTest, so that you can code on your own in AlgoTest. Also, if you want to deploy this strategy, you can check my YouTube channel. You can check my other YouTube channel, Market Learner. This is Market Learner English. So you can check Market Learner Hindi channel. So on this channel, on that channel, I have shown how can you deploy your strategy. Plus on this channel also I will upload some strategy regarding that. So here what is this strategy? So on 9:20 at morning 9:20, what we do is we will look for a strike whose premium is 150 rupees. For example, we will look for call strike, and we will look for put strike. For example, we got a strike wait got a Banknifty strike 41,000 whose premium is 160. So we have to look here whose premium is, we have to select a strike whose premium is near 150. So if C we got strike 41,000, strike has premium of 160, and 41,100 C's price is 140. Sorry, one assume it is 135. So here we see that 160 is near 150. So we will select this strike. So what we have to do is on morning at 9:20, just we will check Bank Nifty option chart and look at it, the which strike has premium 150. For example, we got a strike call and put whose premium is 150, 41,000 strike we got. Now what we do is, now assume the premium you got is 170. Okay, so what we do is we will wait for 10% momentum in this strike. For example, we will, if the price of that strike, that is 170 at the time of 9:20, if it moves 170 plus 10%, that is 17 point. So if it moves 17 point up, that is 187, we will buy this strike, either call or put, whatever it is, we will buy it. We will put a stop loss of 10% on it. So you will calculate 10% of this. So 187, the 10% is 118.7 point. So we will put here around 18.7 point stop loss. And now what we do is we will also trail our legs. So how do we do this? We will calculate 5% of this on which our entry is done, and we will, if that price moves in our favor 5%, we will tail the stop loss 5%. For example, its 5% is around 9 point. Okay, I am just taking an estimate. I am not calculated it via calculator directly. I am just taking an idea. So if it moves 9 point up, we will move our stop loss to 9 point up. So similarly we keep on doing this. Also we have re-entry on this. Assume your stop loss of 18.7 or whatever it is. If hit, so what we do is, as soon as our stop loss hit, we wait for new strike whose premium is, we will look for new strike whose premium is 150, near 150. So for example, our stop loss hit at 1020. So at 1020 we will check option chart and check call. If our call stop loss hit, we will check for call whose premium is near 150 and select that strike, and same process we follow. If that strike move 10%, we will take again entry, and stop loss is 10%, trailing stop loss is 5%. So this is re-entry on momentum. So we will take re-entries on momentum. So if our stop loss hit, we again take re-entry. So here we have taken 4 re-entry, so we will total take 4 re-entry on this. Our overall stop loss is 500 rupees. So assume if on given day, on any given day, if your stop loss reach 500, we will exit that strategy. We will not trade then again more trades. So our exit timing is 3:15. So at 3:15 we will exit whatever is profit or loss is hit. If it hit before, if our overall stop loss or other condition met before 3:15, we will, our strategy is exited before time. But assume at 3:15 our stop loss is going on to 200 or our profit is going on 400, we will exit that strategy whatever on whatever position it is. So this is our strategy. Now if you have any doubt, you can put your query in comment box of this video. Now we will code this strategy on AlgoTest. So if you want to know more about AlgoTest, how it works, you can check my Hindi channel, Market Learner Hindi, or you can also check on this channel. Maybe soon I will keep on uploading more videos on this channel. So check this channel also. So now I am sharing you this strategy here, how you code this. So you will have to select index as Banknifty, entry timing is 9:20 and exit timing is 3:15 as I told you. Now we will buy call, weekly strike we will select, weekly expiry, and closest premium is 150. Now our stop loss is 10% and trailing stop loss is 5%. Simple momentum is 10%, meaning ki if it moves 10%, we will take entry. Re-entry on stop loss are 4. Same is put leg. Here we selected call, here we selected put. Overall stop loss is 500. So this is our strategy. Hope so you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe this channel. And one thing more guys, so if you want discounted brokerage plans, make sure to DM me on WhatsApp 62848 73048. I will also provide this number on description.